Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a quick comparison review between these two bad boys. Here I've got the XM-18 3.5 inch skinny, and here I've just got the 3.5 inch not skinny. That's the regular version. This is Panto, of course, and this is just a regular like fuller but flipper delete, and just with a carbon fiber scale, so the weight is not gonna be reflecting exactly the G10 one, but we're gonna check out the thickness and the sound. We're gonna see how these guys are comparing to one another. So basically, I mean, they're the same knife. They are just going to change in the weight and in the size, in the thickness of the scales employed, because everything else is pretty, and the blade stock, of course, but everything else is pretty much the same. Hardware is the same, the scales are exactly the same, clip is the same. From this perspective, you have the same amount of jimping, and this side as well, it's exactly the same. So let's quickly check the stock thickness on the skinny, which is going to be 0.1365 inches, and let's see over the ear, yeah, 0.019 behind the edge, and let's just do the let's do like that. And the regular version is going to have a stock thickness of 0.164 inches. And behind the edge, this guy is going to be how much? Looks like a little bit, let's do a little bit over here. Right there, yeah, 0.02. So you see, like, this guy's it's a little bit less of a slicer than this guy. You can feel it because, of course, it's chubbier, it's thicker, and if you see, like, from this point of view, you can also see that the two standoffs are kind of like the same. And let's just check the stock thickness of these two guys. Let's just do it. Let's just do it like this. So the regular version has let's see, from here, 0.162 inches thick scale, and this guy 0.1350. Okay, so and the same is going to be valid for the other scale, which is the sandwich between G10 original here and the titanium liner. Let's also do a quick weight comparison right over here. So the skinny, of course, is going to be a little bit lighter, weighing in at 4.92 ounces. That's very good. And the full version, I mean, remember, this guy has carbon fiber scales, but it's going to be like 5.26 ounces. So just a little bit heavier. I think the G10 is going to be a tiny bit heavier than the carbon fiber as well. Also consider this as a flipper delete, so there's less material in there, but of course there's more material everywhere else. The sound also, that's for the regular, and that's for the skinny. So hear this again. Clock. Click. So the closing sound is louder for the regular version because, of course, the weight of the blade is higher, and it's going to make a louder noise, but that's the skinny. Oh, and it's deeper, like it's a beautiful clack. I mean, you're still in business with this guy, but the full weight version is on another level when we are talking about sound. Absolutely. I mean, I love them both, but this guy, even when you close it, is just, oh, it's superior. I mean, they're both fantastic knives, guys. You won't you won't do wrong in getting any of these. They are fantastic workhorses. They are beasts, overbuilt tanks of knives, and you're gonna be happy with any of these guys. So don't worry about that. Just pick the one that suits your need, and you're gonna be a happy camper. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.